Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You first confirm you have host controls. Without them, you cannot create breakout rooms. Once confirmed, join the meet in a supported browser and open the meeting view. Next, click Activities, then select Breakout Rooms to reveal the room interface. Make sure participants are present in the main call so you can assign them quickly. As soon as the panel appears, choose the number of rooms to create and prepare to either assign participants automatically or manually. This is the initial actionable step to begin the flow. You now focus on distribution and timing. Once you set the number of rooms, consider a timer. It helps manage session length automatically. If you want balanced groups fast, use auto. If you need specific people together, pick manual and select names for each room. Make sure to drag participants or use the checkbox move controls to refine placement. Also verify host options like allowing participants to return. After assignments look right, preview rooms and adjust. This detailed middle step ensures smooth, small. You're ready to launch. Click Open Rooms and participants will be moved into their small groups. Once running, monitor activity by broadcasting quick messages or visiting rooms if you need to observe or assist. When time's up, click Close Rooms to bring everyone back to the main meeting. If someone fails to join a room, reassign them or ask them to rejoin the meet. Make sure they have updated browser permissions. This troubleshooting tip prevents delays and gets the session back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.